Imagine a country with no oil, no gold mines, no access to the sea, and a population of less than 10 million people. Most would assume it would struggle to compete with larger nations. But Switzerland has done the exact opposite. It is home to some of the world's biggest banks, most valuable companies, and highest paid workers. It consistently ranks among the richest countries on earth and offers one of the highest standards of living in the world. So, how did this small Alpine nation become an economic powerhouse? The answer lies in smart decisions, innovation, and centuries of stability. Let's explore the fascinating story behind Switzerland's incredible wealth. 1. Political stability and neutrality. One of Switzerland's greatest strengths is something money can't buy: trust. For over 200 years, Switzerland has remained politically neutral, staying out of major international wars. This long history of peace has made it one of the safest places in the world for people to live, work, and invest. 2. The world's financial hub. When people think of Switzerland, they often think of banks. For decades, Swiss banks became famous for protecting clients' wealth with strict privacy and professional financial services. Although banking regulations have changed over the years, Switzerland remains one of the world's leading financial centers. Major cities like Zurich and Geneva are home to international banks, insurance companies, investment firms, and global organizations. 3. Education, innovation, and skilled workers. Another reason for Switzerland's success is its investment in people. The country has one of the world's best education systems, especially its vocational training programs. Many students combine classroom learning with real work experience, creating a highly skilled workforce. 4. Tourism and global reputation. Switzerland's breathtaking mountains, crystal clear lakes, and famous ski resorts attract millions of tourists every year. Tourism generates billions of dollars and supports hotels, restaurants, transportation, and local businesses. This positive global image attracts even more investors, companies, and skilled professionals. Conclusion: Switzerland proves that a country doesn't need vast natural resources to become rich. Instead, it built its success through political stability, world-class banking, innovation, premium manufacturing, excellent education, and a reputation for quality and trust. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which country's success story should we explore next.